At C Henderson, we bring over 100 years of expertise in the design and manufacture of sliding and folding door hardware. 2025 marked an exciting new chapter in our journey as we moved into our brand new facility after more than 60 years in our previous factory. Our extensive product range is built to meet every requirement, from lightweight sliding cupboard doors to heavy-duty industrial systems capable of handling doors up to 8,000 kilograms. For complete confidence and peace of mind, our systems are backed by a 10-year manufacturer's warranty. Need support with product specification? Our customer service team combines exceptional product knowledge with hands-on experience, offering expert guidance for any technical inquiry. Innovation and quality are driven by our dedicated in-house research and development team. To ensure long-lasting performance, most of our products are tested to 100,000 cycles before launch, the equivalent of opening and closing a door 5 times a day for 55 years. As proud members of Made in Britain, we manufacture our products using high-quality materials and efficient processes. Sustainability is embedded throughout all of our operations, from responsible product design to efficient manufacturing processes. Through continuous improvement and responsible waste management, we remain committed to reducing environmental impact while creating hardware solutions that are built to last. With an extensive distributor network exporting to more than 70 countries worldwide, C Henderson products can be found in impressive projects across the globe. From specification to manufacture, C Henderson continues to combine heritage, innovation, and engineering excellence, delivering hardware that you can depend on for generations to come.